Contrary to what you've heard us say a million times, you actually don't always have to stage your home in order to get it sold. While it's always the best practice to stage and to paint and to fix all the things that are broken and to edit out all the extra things, we know that there are oftentimes situations where staging just doesn't make sense and can't happen because of a family situation, a health issue, an elderly family member that just can't get it all done. So it's important to know that we can help you get that home sold because we are connected to a wide network of agents, first of all, who are looking for properties, and oftentimes those buyers are willing to take the homes in the condition that they are in. And we also work with a whole set of investors who are also willing to take a home in whatever condition it's in. They'll often even take the contents and deal with them themselves. So it's important to know that. And also, one other thing, I have often heard from sellers, oh, I don't want my home sold to an investor. I want, someone to buy it who will love it. Well, keep in mind that investors often put money into the house, make it sparkle and shine, and then sell it to a family. So be open to that if you are in that situation where you really love your home, but you don't want an investor to buy it. If this resonates with you or you think it will with somebody that you know and love, please share it. We're happy to set up a time to talk about it at any point.